I have been baking a lot lately, so earlier on I decided to make basbousa and North African desserts. So I started off by combining flour, semolina, sugar, baking powder and soda, salt. I then set that aside and whipped up some Greek yogurt, butter, egg, vanilla. I then divided it into like two batches, popped the first one in the oven while I made my inner layer, which was coconut cream. That's what I opted for. I heated up some milk, cornstarch, flour, sugar, whipping cream and shredded coconuts, popped it back into the oven. I then made it like a simple vanilla syrup to go with it. I then divided it into squares, poured the syrup in it, and yes, it came out so good.